Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the brand new palette from Hindash, which is called Beautopsy. Let's start with the packaging, which is cardboard. Not normally a fan myself, but the cardboard here is excellent. The packaging feels great. It's a very sturdy palette. I can also see it stacked on my bookshelf with others, hopefully he'll make. It's great. There's also a full-length mirror, which is very helpful and just looks pretty. There's 24 grams of product in this palette, and when you break it down into pan size, that's 4 grams per pan, which is excellent. Now, let's move on to the contents. All the pans are ombre, meaning they move from light to dark or dark to light, depending on which color it is. They're all matte in texture and payoff. The payoff here is on the medium side. They're not overly pigmented, but they're certainly not pigmented. They're right there in the center, which is great. There's also very little fallout with this palette, which is incredible from a pressed pigment point of view. However, there's going to be some bloody buggery miseries on the internet who are going to stick a brush in really hard and scrape it and watch the fallout. Personally, I've seen very little fallout with this palette. It's excellent. Now, what makes this palette interesting is that because of the ombre effect, you get multiple colors in any single pan. You can also do your face with this, your cheeks, you can contour, you can do the eye with this. All round, it's an excellent palette, and I'm hoping that the future releases will all have this ombre effect because I think it's really pretty. Also interested to see if he comes out with a shimmer palette that has this ombre feel to it because it's excellent. As I mentioned, the payoff on these is lovely. Now for matte shadows, notoriously they're hard to blend. I didn't find that with this palette. They're actually quite easy to blend, but they're easier to layer as well, which is why this ombre effect works so well because they're already layered and stacked in the pan. Overall, this is an absolutely beautiful palette. 10 out of 10. It is excellent, and I can't wait to see what he does next. Let me know what your thoughts are on this cracking palette. It really is spot on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.